So look at the questions here. If Z is a complex number such that your modulus is equals to 1, find the real part. Find the real part of this division of complex number. So you have two information here. One is modulus part, another part is division operation of complex number. So let's our complex number writing in standard form or Cartesian form, we call it, it will be a plus b I. So what we need to find the real part of this division. It's not the real part of this A, it's the real part of this division. Alright, so for the first information, when you say modulus Z equals to 1, indirectly they want to tell you is square root of A square plus B square equals to 1. And A square plus B square equals to 1 square. 1 square back to 1. So this is the information that we might use later. Then for the second part here, for the division 1 minus Z, it will be equal to 1 minus A plus BR. So simplify this until we can get a standard form. What's your real part? That will be your answer. Alright, so 1 minus A minus BI. So look at the complex number here. 1 minus A, this is real part, this is imaginary part. So when we have division in complex number, when your complex number come to division, means the complex number at denominator, we have to rationalize the complex number by multiply the conjugate every time. When you have division complex number, you have to multiply the conjugate. So the conjugate of this real part, 1 minus A, imaginary part negative become positive. So for numerator part, we don't have any problem to expand. We just multiply. It will be still 1 minus A plus BI. For denominator part, actually we have a formula. When you have complex number times with its conjugate, we straight away we can do A square plus B square. Real part square plus B square. So we can simplify the way to expand one by one. So your real part is 1 minus A. B is negative B, so still B. Imaginary part, if you put negative also can, so negative B square we get B. So simplify this. So when you having your conjugate multiplication here, you can notice that at denominator will be no longer complex number. This is real number, this is real number. Alright. So this one square, we expand it, it will be how to expand when you're having A plus B square, so it will be A square 2AB B square, depan square, 2 darab depan, darab belakang, belakang square, depan square, 2 darab depan, darab belakang, negative 2A, belakang square, A square plus B square. And what can we see here? A square plus B square is equals to 1. Simplify until we get standard form. Simplify until we can write it. What is your division? Your result is real part, your imaginary part. So answer here, real part 1 minus A over, what's the value here? It will be 2 minus 2A, imaginary part B over 2 minus 2A I. So the question is, what's your real part of this division? So you still can simplify. As you can see, 1 minus A, when you take out 2, yeah, you still can simplify. 1/2. So therefore, the real part of this division is 1/2.